This is a love reading for the sun sign Taurus from October to November. In this love reading, I'm going to do a heart-shaped spread where on my left are the cards for you Taurus and on my right are the cards for your partner, your love interest if you're married, then your spouse. So let us see what is the guidance from tarot. Now please note that this is a general reading and not everything in this reading will apply to all Taurus, and whatever may apply will vary in the intensity. So who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength or challenges you bring? What is the strength or challenges your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you have about the relationship with your partner in the future? What is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship in the future? What is the past you are coming from? What is the past your partner is coming from? And this is the overall guidance from tarot for the love reading. So some of you are in a difficult spot, Taurus, and this may not necessarily be a problem or a situation in the relationship. It's just telling me that some of you are dealing with some pain point in your life, maybe at work or maybe just being wounded because of some friends, or maybe someone has stolen from you. So I'm seeing a helplessness in your situation. The good part is your partner is very able and he or she is doing their best to free you, help you out. So I'm seeing some of you may have met your partner because you were in this difficult situation and your partner has totally helped you out to move on or get over some pain that you were dealing with. So very credible talking and action kind of a partner that you have, Taurus. So some of you may be having a very good sense of gratitude and whole energy of being so grateful for your partner to have come and rescued you. Taurus, some of you don't speak. So I am seeing communication is a challenge for some of you. Whatever you've been through, you're just keeping it to yourself. And it's possible that your partner wants you to speak up, tell what's bothering you, you are not telling. So the good part is your partner is not giving up. He or she is totally committed to helping you out with whatever situation you may have found yourself into. So a good energy, a nice compatibility that I see here, a good partner you have. So what is the strength or challenges you bring, and what is the strength or challenges your partner brings? You like to spend a lot of time alone, maybe because whatever may have happened to you. Because so this is a strength as well as a challenge. Your partner is very drawn to you. He or she likes talking to you, knowing more about you, but you are someone who likes to be left alone. So you don't want to overdo this energy because it's looking like your partner may be doing more than half their share or pulling way more weight in the relationship than you are. So it's possible that some of you may have just lost interest overall in lot of things because of some loss that you have made in some investments or some business not taking off properly. So a very encouraging and a motivating partner you have who may be telling you to not give up, continue doing what you're doing. So I see a very good helpful energy from your partner. What is the strength or challenges your partner is bringing? Your partner can be someone who can get emotionally very worked up. So whatever you feel, Taurus, your partner feels 2 times emotionally the same energy. So while you are quite in control, and you may have forgiven a lot of people for all that bad that happened to you, or the losses or some things that did not go well. Your partner is seem to be carrying that pain with him or her for quite some time. So your partner may not be as emotionally strong as you are. So while you went through the situation, you are well in grip of all that happened and you have forgiven and made peace. Nothing happened to your partner, but he or she is not able to forgive or move on from what has happened to you. So a very loving and a caring love interest that you have. So good energy over here. So you want to reach out and express more to your love interest. Yeah, you don't want your partner to suffer like this when you have made peace. You want to let them know that everything is okay and you're holding fort very well. So how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? So some of you feel that your love interest is someone who misses out on some very easy opportunities. So it's possible that some of you have a complaint that when the situation did come up, your partner tried to rescue it, or they tried to do a lot of things about solving that situation, but you feel he or she had a lot of options of doing it in a much better way. So somewhere I'm seeing an energy of you feeling that your partner doesn't really quickly get hold of certain opportunities or people that come along and work with them and make the best of it. So you have some complaints with your love interest. Some of you also feel that your partner may be a bit hasty and he or she misses out on things purely because they are just thinking about what he or she needs to do rather than what is coming along the way. So both of you seem to have some issues that you both should be solving and sit down and solve rather than just not think good about each other or feel that he did not do enough, or your partner thinking that you still need to come out of whatever pain you have had. So how does your partner see you? Your partner feels that you can be quite a troublemaker, and once in a while you do like to pick a fight without any reason. So it's just telling me that you may be someone who's an introvert, Taurus. You like to keep it to yourself. You don't like to probably go out as much as you did earlier on. So you may have changed a little bit because of some experience that happened while being in the relationship. So it's just as if you are not communicating, you're not opening up enough, and then your partner sees that you are this person who unnecessarily picks a fight. So you may be speaking very little, but whatever little you speak, it maybe comes across as a nagging to your partner, because I do see your partner feels that you're quite capable of picking a fight unnecessarily, and you don't want to give this as an impression because you're not speaking all that much, and your partner does get affected very quickly. He or she feels what you feel. So you want, both of you should be showing more sensitivity and understanding to each other. I don't see any cups in the cards, at least as of now. So cups are all about understanding, sensitivity, a lot of warmth and love in the relationship. Right now I'm just seeing you both are saying things to each other. Mostly your partner is trying to help you out to open up, and then you are not speaking as much, and then you both have some difference of opinion on how things should be done. So decision making is not looking that easy. It's possible that, Taurus, you have suffered because of some haste your partner made, and you are not complaining, you have made peace with it, but now you don't want to put up with his or her haste, and that is why your partner sees you as this person who disagrees very readily. So the reason you are disagreeing is because of what you may have gone through in the relationship, because of what your partner decided. So there's quite a lot going on in this relationship, Taurus, between you and your partner. So you are not complaining, you are not putting the blame game or a finger on your partner, but you don't want to repeat that mistake of going along with the decision which you don't feel is good enough. So a lot of understanding needs to be created, but overall your partner is very understanding. He or she is working for the good of you too, and you are also right in not wanting to go along with the decision you don't see much happening or coming out of. So you both need to come to a same level in the equation. It's just telling me that some of you Taurus may have taken a passive approach in the relationship, and lot of decisions that your partner has taken has not gone all that well. So you are not sure of now being so passive. So you may be actively disagreeing now. So what is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner or the relationship? And what is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship? The good part is you both are very committed to each other. So it's just telling me that the equation needs little bit of tuning and work, and then things will be set right, because in the future energy you know that this is just a down phase which came along, and you are very committed to making this equation right, that you will be an active partner, you will speak what needs to be told and correct your partner as and when you see him or her to be wrong. So I'm seeing in the future energy you do feel that this relationship will be aligned and things will work out very well for the two of you, but as of now you feel there is a lot of work going on. So you're very positive and you feel this is the relationship to be in, but with little bit of work and tweaking in the equation that is needed. Now what is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship? First of all, your partner feels very strongly for you, and in the future energy also I am seeing your partner is very committed to making this relationship work. So he or she is willing to put as much work 24/7 taking care of you and providing in the relationship as will be required. Your partner is fully convinced that this is the relationship to be in and they are going to make it happen. So I'm seeing a very strong future energies. But in the present energies you both are disagreeing, or there is some decisions that you both are not agreeing upon. So there is some work which is going on, but you both have internally committed to each other. So you both are just right now probably in the present energy dealing with some ups and downs. Overall you both are very solid in the relationship. So very good cards that I am seeing in the future energy here. So what is the past you are coming from and what is the past your partner is coming from? So you are very cautious by nature, Taurus. You don't like to waste money or lose what is earned with lot of effort and hard work. So from your past energy is telling me whatever losses you made in investment or some trust that got broken for whatever reason, it was very deep and close to your heart. So it's telling me that in the past energy, even now, while you have made a lot of peace with what may have happened, you are very cautious by nature and you don't like to unnecessarily learn by mistakes. So you would rather do it right the first time. So this is the past energy you are coming from. You are very cautious, you don't want to take risk, and whatever you work on is very dear to you. You don't like to lose anything, but you seem to have lost quite a deal. And it may have happened because of certain decisions your partner took, or probably even you took, and or you did not think through, and then it led to a lot of problems. Now what is the past your partner is coming from? Well, he or she is someone very well to do. So I'm seeing your partner may be someone who's gone to some best colleges. He or she has lived a good life, very good upbringing. So you're in a relationship with someone who's found lot of success early on in the life. So all good cards here for you and your partner from the past energy. So what is the overall guidance from tarot for the love reading? This is a very beautiful relationship. It's telling me you both accept each other. So whatever disagreements are going on are just temporary and they may not last for more than few days or a week or so. I'm just seeing a lot of acceptance. If the two of you are planning to get married and there are some troubles that have cropped up, it's telling me it's not going to change any plans. You both are so solid. You both have accepted each other so deeply that your plans to get married or move ahead in the relationship for the long term are totally going to work out. I see celebration also. So some of you are planning a family way, it should totally happen. This is also a guidance of meeting up with your family. So some of you may just want to introduce your partner to your family if you've not done that, or maybe go and spend some time with your family. Maybe that may give a better perspective on whatever you both are dealing with in the present energy. So very good cards. Outcome energy is so strong and future energies are equally strong. It's telling me you both are very committed and you both understand each other well. But now you may have understood each other slightly better with some mistakes and decisions that went wrong. So overall a very good reading for you, Taurus. And this was your reading from October to November.